Assume that you made a website for a freelancer who offers his services to his clients. So he wants a feature in his website so that his clients can call him directly from the website by clicking on a link. So to create that feature, you will write the anchor tag opening A and closing A, and in between these write the text call me, and in the href attribute we are gonna write tel, which stands for telephone, then write the colon, then write a phone number where the users will call. You should write the country code. So let's say the country code is 880, then 17, then let's say the number is 11223344. Save the file. You will see a link on your web page which says call me. If you click on the link, you will see a pop-up. The pop-up says open phone link. HTTP localhost 8080 wants to open this application. So I'm gonna open phone link app. Let me close this. So basically this link will try to open an app which app can make a call. So in Windows I don't have any app which can make calls. So it's trying to open the phone link app which links Windows PC and Android or iOS. But if your users or you open this page on an Android phone or an iPhone, then after clicking on this link, it will open the dialer of your phone. And in the dialer, you will see this number typed. Then you just need to click on the dial button. Then a call will take place. So keep in mind that if you click this link from an Android phone or an iPhone, this will open the dialer app. Or let's say you have Chrome on your Android phone and you have Chrome on your Windows device, and these two devices are logged in with the same Google account. Then if you click on this link, you will get an option where you can click and that will open the dialer app on your phone. So you will click on the link which will be on Windows laptop, and if you click on the link in Windows, it will open the dialer app in Android or iOS where you have logged in. So I can't showcase this at this moment, but let's see, if we make any project in this course, then I will make sure that this feature is available in our project, and then we will publish this website to the server. Then we will visit that website with our phone, and then I will showcase you that how clicking on this link opens a dialer app on your phone. So for that, keep eyes on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to this channel.